Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt, the V-Twin Visionary, and I'm here today with something cool from Two Wheel Tactical. It is called the Limitless Tool Bag. And what it does is it is a Molle tool bag. It works with their Molle panel systems. I don't know if you're familiar with that, but they do Molle panel systems that fit in Harley-Davidson saddlebags. So this is a Molle bag. I mean, you could chuck it in any bag or put it in the backseat of your car or truck or whatever, but this thing is super cool. The reason they call it limitless is you can put a ton of stuff in it. If you look, move the Velcro. If you look, we have a ton of our tools in there. This is kind of what I run all the time. We work with Wera Tools from Germany. They're an amazing tool company. You can check them out on weratools.com or all over our website and social media. But as you can see, this bag holds a ton of stuff, and it even holds more. There's a zipper pocket here. It holds a tire puncture kit, which is super cool. It has internal pockets here and there, and it has a front zipper pocket which opens up and has even more space for tools and pouches and whatnot. And the coolest thing about this is it also has this, which is a detachable clear pouch. Even has more room for tools. I keep stuff in it like tape, extra bolts, baling wire, Loctite, all that good stuff. So if you're looking for a bag that you can stick everything you need tool-wise into your saddlebag and keep it organized and ready at a moment's notice, check out Two Wheel Tactical.